The Smartling connector for CaptionHub enhances your ability to translate subtitles and on-screen text by combining CaptionHub's no-code automation and AI-driven captioning tools with Smartling's robust translation platform, helping you expand your global reach. Let's see it in action. Starting in CaptionHub, you can see all of your projects as well as the translation status represented as tags. The Smartling connector for CaptionHub simplifies the localization process by connecting with CaptionHub seamlessly, allowing you to create content and it be automatically available in the Smartling dashboard for translation. This can be done using two methods: request translation in CaptionHub or request translation in Smartling. Let's start with requesting from CaptionHub. This method lets you request translations without needing access to the Smartling platform. Simply add a special tag to the content you wish to translate, and translation jobs are automatically created and authorized in Smartling. Let's jump over to Smartling to see the other method. The Smartling dashboard shows all existing translation requests and their status. From here, we can select one or all of our CaptionHub content that we want to have translated. Translation requests in Smartling are put into translation jobs, which allow you to specify a name, description, target languages, preferred workflow, and due date. Once you've gotten the details of the job, Smartling generates an instant cost estimate based on your input and selected workflows, allowing you to see immediately what the cost will be, enabling you to make informed decisions. Only the new or changed content is placed into the job, which means there is no duplication of translation effort. Once you are satisfied with the estimate, you can authorize the translation. This starts the translation flow, and once complete, you'll be notified and your translation sent automatically back to CaptionHub. And just like that, you're done. However, if you want to be more involved in the process, you can open the translation tool and see what the translators see. Smartling's industry-leading visual context capabilities allows your translators to see exactly where in your video the text will be displayed. This empowers them to understand both visual and linguistic context. A style guide is also shown, which helps the translators understand more about the project, content, tone of voice, and any linguistic conventions that should be followed. Glossary terms are highlighted, any translation memory matches are presented, and quality assurance checks are shown in real time. All of these aspects come together to allow the translator to provide a high-quality translation on the first attempt. Going back to CaptionHub, you can review your translations in platform and make any adjustments as needed. So there you have it. You've just seen how easily the Smartling connector for CaptionHub can streamline your translation process, allowing your video content to reach your global audience anywhere. Ready to take your business to the next level? Visit us at smartling.com to learn more.